guys, I will open Adobe Capture CC. Adobe Capture CC, it's another free Adobe mobile application. I will click on Adobe Capture CC, and here I will click on brushes. I have two choices right now. I can create my brush using my mobile device live camera. I can point my camera on any object and create a brush out of this object, or I can create a brush based on my image stored on my local drive or anywhere else. I will click on this beautiful image icon. I will click on camera roll. I will click on my camera roll folder, and here I have image I just created with you using Adobe Illustrator Draw. I will click on it, and voila. Guys, look at this. Adobe Capture CC erased my white background for me, and I love it. If for some unknown reason I need to bring this white background back, I will move this slider all the way down, just like that. If I will move this slider all the way up, I will illuminate more details than I want. So I will move my slider somewhere in the middle, just like this. After I'm satisfied with everything, I will click Create a Brush, just like that, and voila. Here I can crop my image. Live preview is amazing. Live preview is awesome. I love live preview. After I'm satisfied with my cropping, I will click on Style. Here in Style workspace, I can create my brush for Adobe Sketch, Adobe Photoshop CC, or Adobe Illustrator CC. Today I will create brush for Adobe Sketch. I will click on Adobe Sketch, and I will click on Scatter White in Random Brush, just like that. Now I will click on Settings tab, and I will be redirected to Settings workspace. I can adjust size for my brush, just like that. I will move my slider somewhere about 225. Also, I can adjust a minimum size, just like this. Perfect. I can specify angle for my brush. It's up to you. I will specify directional. Also, I can adjust spacing, more or less spacing. It's up to you guys. I prefer somewhere about 30%. You can adjust scatter. I will move my scatter slider to the right about 109. Also, I checked both axes. It's important. Also, guys, you can adjust jitter parameters. Just look at this. Guys, live preview is always amazing. Just awesome. I will move my jitter size slider somewhere in the middle, just like that, about 41%. Also angle, guys, it's fun. It's a lot of fun. Just look at this. I will specify my angle about 84%. Also, you can specify flow, more or less opacity of your brush. I will move my flow slider about 49%. After I'm satisfied with everything, I will click on Refine tab. In Refined workspace, you can bring less or more details into your brush. It's up to you. I prefer to have my move my refine slider somewhere in the middle, just like that. After you're happy with your brush, guys, you're happy with everything, click on Save, and your brush will be saved into your Creative Cloud library. And now you can use this brush in Adobe Photoshop CC or Adobe Photoshop Sketch. I will close Adobe Capture CC. I will open Adobe Sketch application. I will create a new document. Simply click on plus sign, and voila. I will click and hold my brush, and voila. Here I have my Adobe Capture CC library. I will click on my brush I just created with you, just like that. I can change color. Let's use red bright color. I can adjust a size of my brush, and voila. Bigger size, just like that. You can change color, of course, and voila. If you would like to adjust your brush inside Adobe Photoshop Sketch, You can do it as well. Simply click on setting icon and you can adjust your brush in any way you want to, guys. Everything is up to you. It's your imagination. And voila. If you would like to reset your brush setting, no problem. Click on brush setting icon and here click on reset brush and voila. Your brush is back. So guys, this is how easy you can create your custom brush using your mobile device and using your own image. So guys, give me 1 second and I will be back with another part of our class. Just give me 1 second, guys.